Hello, I'm Jake Budny, one of the orthopedic surgeons of Bon Secours Orthopedic Specialists. I specialize in the treatment of hip and knee osteoarthritis as well as general care of the musculoskeletal system, which includes trauma of the upper and lower extremity, as well as more chronic conditions such as carpal tunnel syndrome, trigger fingers, tennis elbow, and ankle pain. Using my experience over the course of 16 years of orthopedics, working at multiple trauma centers and being a high-volume elective surgeon, I've learned the value of patient-centered medical care. At this practice, I have prioritized the satisfaction of our patients. This does not just mean a good surgery, but a good experience from the first time the patient interacts with our staff onwards. It is not only important to be responsive to the patient's needs, but also to be able to create an empathetic experience. We've done a very good job of this, and this shows as we have won Experience of Care Awards 3 years running for being a top-performing practice in this regard. This is a testament to not only my focus on the patient, but our entire team from our OR to our office. I think one of the most important things in medicine is to engage with the patient and educate them on what their particular problem is and why we are proceeding down a certain clinical pathway. I think that when the patient is educated on their own condition, they are much more likely to be engaged, and that is helpful for them and helpful for me. I consider the patient as much a team member in their care as my own clinical staff. This philosophy has done well over the years, and I intend to continue to engage my patients as much as possible to create a positive atmosphere in our clinic and positive outcomes for patients. It has been a pleasure to treat patients who have had long-standing and chronic pain of their joints, and one of the greatest joys in my life after watching my kids grow up is to see the changes that I see in my patients after surgery, and it never ceases to be a good feeling when I see someone succeed. My focus since I have begun my practice is to treat patients like I would like to be treated, and I treat them with the respect and patience that I would expect to receive. Drawing from my experiences not only in orthopedics, but also as a collegiate athlete and an international student, I'm able to see into the lives of my patients as best as anyone can, lend a sympathetic ear where I can, and a helping hand where I'm able. I and the rest of the Bon Secours team are looking forward to helping you with your orthopedic care.